Y'all saying y'all don't like these? What's good with the chat? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. As per the title, you already know what's going down today. We are about to unbox the University Blue Jordan Retro 14s, and I'm super excited about this one. I've been seeing some mixed opinions about this shoe, but I don't know. I gotta see, I gotta feel it for my own, see it for my own. Not gonna yap your ear off. Let's just get straight into it. So I did end up getting another size 7.5 men's. I feel like this is such a random size to get, but you know, ooh, I didn't even see the top hit. All right, doing something different with the box. Love when they do something different with the boxes. Let's get it, let's go. I don't want that. Y'all. Y'all saying y'all don't like these? Y'all crazy. These are crazy. These are, y'all saying y'all really don't like these. I see what everyone's saying though, but I'm telling you, it don't look that bad in person. What's these? Don't look as faded as what everyone's saying that they look. I think this is a really clean shoe. See, yeah, I feel like y'all tripping on these ones. I think this is a really clean shoe. I heard people putting mink oil on them, on the suede. I just feel like Jordan's 14s at that are always like faded. Y'all gotta let me know what you guys think down below. Sheesh. I don't know, no next drops coming up, so I can't even tell y'all what I'm finna cop next. It's gonna be a surprise to you as it's gonna be a surprise to me. I really actually don't even have many 14s at all either. I think these are my only 14s, and I wore them obviously on a rainy day. It was a rainy, snowy day, and kind of fucked them up. So I gotta clean these. But I mean, I said it even with this shoe, this material, you can kind of see like a ashy almost fade in them. But I think these came out clean. I think these are fire. I'm not a big 14 wearer, but I love a good blue for sure. Blue and black at that, can't top that. These are fire. All right, y'all gotta let me know down in the comment section what y'all think of these. As always, make sure to smash that like button. Of course, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. As always, stay positive, and of course, I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gonna step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.